Chapter 1 Real Numbers 9th class exercise 1.2 fifth question find the value of root 5 up to 3 decimal places. So what is given as per the solution? Root 5 is given up to 3 decimal places. Find the value of root 5, isn't it? Now 5, take this long division method, isn't it? In 2 table 2 twos are how much? 4. 2 twos are 4. Do the subtraction. That means how much remains? 1. So 12.2 zeros. Bring down 2 zeros. So double of this 2 means plus 2. What will happen? 4. Isn't it? Now 42 into 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 fours are 8. So 42 into 4. 2 is 42 into 2 means what? 84. Now do the subtraction once again. What will happen? This is 10. 10 minus 4 means 6. This is 9. 9 minus 8 means 1. This is 0. Now take another 2 zeros. Isn't it? Bring down 1600. Now 42 into 2 means 84. After your decimal point, put a point into. So 84. 100 minus 84 gives 16. Bring down 2 zeros. Now add plus to this. That means 42 plus 2 means what happened? 44, isn't it? Now this 44 means 443 into 3. Are you understood here? 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 2 1 is carry, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 means 13, isn't it? So which number you are taken here? Multiply the entire number with that number, that same number only, isn't it? This is the long division method. Now so here is 4 4 3, isn't it? 443 multiplying with 3 gives 1329. Now do the subtraction. Do the subtraction. 10 minus 9 1. 9 minus 2 7. 5 minus 3 2. 271. So another 2 zeros, bring down. This becomes like this, isn't it? Now how much we are multiplied? 3. So 443 plus 3. What happened? 446, isn't it? Now take here 6 and multiply this with 6. 6 6 are 36. 3 6 6 are 36 plus 3 means 39. So 9 3 is carry. 6 4 are 24. 24 plus 3 means 27. 7. Now 2 is carry. 6 4 are 24. 24 plus 2 means 26. See here 26,796 below this. So that's why what will happen here? Plus 3 is added. That becomes 446 and we are multiplying with 6. Isn't it? 446. 4466 multiplying with 6. This it gives 26,796. Do the subtraction. 10 minus 6 means 4. 9 minus 9 0. Here is 10 minus 7 means 3. 6 minus 6 0, 2 minus 2 0. It is continuation but stop. Why? Up to, as per the question, up to 3 decimal places, isn't it? Up to 3 decimal places. So after a decimal point 3 digits are there, so that's why this is enough. Therefore root 5 equals to up to 3 decimal places is 2.236, and it is a continuation, not a end, isn't it? So up to 3 decimal places root 5 value is 2.236, isn't it? The final answer is under root of 2.236. Now find the value of root 7 up to 6 decimal places by long division method. What is given? Root 7. So how many decimal places? Up to 6 decimal places. Now 7 dot 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 by using long division method. So take like this. See here 2 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, isn't it? So square, any always square. So 2 square value is what? 4, isn't it? No. 3 square value is what? 9. So 9 is more than 7. So 4 is less than this. So that's why 2 2s are 4. Do the subtraction. What we get here? 3. Isn't it? Bring down these two zeros. It became stated as a 300. So next, double of this 2 means 4, isn't it? Now 4. Next 6 6 are how much? 36. So here we are taking 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 3 6 4 are 24. 24 plus these 3 means 27. So 276 is less than of this. So 4 here is at 6. 46 6 are 46 6 are 276. Now do the subtraction. This becomes 10 minus 6 means 4. 9 minus 7 means 2. 2 minus 2 is 0, isn't it? 46. So how much we got? 6. Add 6 to this 46. So 46 plus 6. 12. 2 1 is there. 52, isn't it? So add this 6. This becomes 52, isn't it? Now bring down another 2 zeros. So 2400 below that, isn't it? Now 52, 2 multiplying with 2, 520. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, or 5 2 3, here 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are and 3 5s are 15. See here we are taking and multiplying with 3, it is more than, it is less than 2 4. So once again we try another. 3 is there. Now 4, take 4. 4 4s are 16, 1. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. 4 5s are 20. So 5 to 5 becomes 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 means 12. 1. 5 5 is 25, 26. So this is more than this. So we want less than. So that means here which number we have to take? 4. So 524 fours are how much? 524 fours are what we got? 2096, isn't it? Yes. Now do the subtraction. These became 10 minus 6 means 4. 9 minus 9 means 0. Here is 3 minus 0 means 3, isn't it? Now once again bring down 2 zeros, isn't it? So 2 decimal places we got. Now up to 6 decimal places we want, isn't it? Now so add 4 to this. Add 4 to this. This becomes, what happened here? 5 to 8, isn't it? 5 to 8. Now 5 to 8 4. See, 4 4s are 16, 1, 4 8 are 32, 33, 3, 4 2s are 8 plus 3 means 11, 1, 4 5 are 20, 21. It is not at all suitable, isn't it? Now take 5 in the place of here is 5 to 8, 5 means 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 2 is there, 5 8s are 40 plus 2 42, 4 is there, 5 4 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 4 means 14, 4 is there, 4 you are written, 1 is there, 5 5s are 25 plus 1 means 26. So this is enough. So 5285 into how much? 5 gives how much? 26,425. 26,425. Now do the subtraction. It becomes, so 5 10 minus 5, so 9 minus 2 means 7, and here is 13, isn't it? 13 minus 4 means 9, here is 9 minus 6 means 3. So take another 2 zeros, isn't it? Add 5 to this, that becomes 5 means 0, here 8 becomes 9, 1 is carry, so 2 as it is and 5 as it is. 5290. Now this 5290, I am taking 7. 7 sevens are 49, here is 0, write 49 as it is. 7 9 ja, 7 9 ja 63, 3 6 is there. 7 2s are 14 plus 6 means 20, 0 here, 2 is carry. 7 5 is 35 plus 2 37. So 3,70,349. It is enough. So here take here 7. 52,907 multiplying with how much? 7 only. This became, how much we got? 3,70,349. Now do the subtraction, and it becomes 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 4, 5, 4 minus 3, 1, 7. You can write as it is. So here is 2. Take another 2 zeros. Now add 7 to this number. So 7 plus 7 means 14. So what will happen? It becomes 52914, isn't it? Now see here, 52914. I am taking 5. So see here, 52914, 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 2 is carry, 5 4s are 20, 22, 2 1 sign 2 carry, 5 1 ja 5 plus 2 7, 5 9s are 45, 5 4 is carry, 5 2s are 10 plus 4 14, 5 5s are 25 plus 1 means 26. So 26,45,725. So this multiplying with how much? 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So another last digit we want, isn't it? That becomes how much we get? 2 6 4 5 7 2 5. Do the subtraction. 10 minus 5 means 5, and your 9 minus 2 7. 10 minus 7 10 minus 7 means 3, isn't it? 10 minus 7 3. Here 14 minus 5 means 9. Here 10 minus 4 means how much? 6, and 6 minus 6 means 0. What we get? 69375. So take this side, there is no place, so 69375. Put 2 zeros. Now add to 5 this becomes 0, this became 5, this became 1, this became 9, this became 2, this became 5 as it is. Now multiplying with 1, isn't it? That becomes, so 5291501. Do the subtraction. This becomes 9, this becomes 9, this becomes 0, and this became 6. This became 13 minus 9 means 4. 9 minus 2 means, so 8 minus 2 means 6. This is the enough up to 6 decimal places. So what we got? 2.645751. Therefore root 7 equals to 2.645751 up to 6 decimal places. This is the answer of the given question.